I like to repurpose things, so I'm going to make a cart for my welder. Here's my cart. Wheels on the back. The only thing I had to pay for was the casters. I'm using the things that used to hold the ladder from coming back down for hooks to hang my cables on. I just put a couple pieces of metal on top of the rungs right there. Now I got a bottom shelf. Oh, look at that. Now I got a middle shelf. Now, through the magic of video, I got a top shelf for the welder to sit on. I got a couple more things to add, and she'll be all done. Yep, there she is. Put some rod holders on the side. And I decided to put these ladder rungs on the back here just to stop anything from getting pushed off the back. And that's what my rod holder's made out of, is ladder rungs. Well, there she is, made out of an old ladder. There's the bottle sitting on there, got chains on there, put some hooks down through there. There's the old lawnmower wheels down there. Like I said, the casters are the only ones I had to buy. And then everything else is up on there. Yeah, they kind of look a mess. I kind of threw them up there real quick to try and finish out this video, but there it is. Awesome scrap ladder welding cart.